Greetings of the day. Myself, Twinkle Khatri. I am a pseudo-extrovert who completed her schooling from DAV Narela and received a diploma in elementary education from JBIHE, recognized by SCERT with flying marks. In prolongation, I have completed my graduation with first division, having English and mathematics as my core subjects. Additionally, I have qualified the seated examination at my first attempt. I have been keen to become a teacher since childhood and continuously strive to adapt various teaching methods while imparting knowledge to my students. My prior experience of over 2 years allows me to focus on every individual and helps students to reach to their fullest potential. Apart from the academia, I have spearheaded numerous dance performances and strategically executed various functions during my times at DAV Bhavana. If given a chance to be the part of your auspicious faculty, I will put forward my best efforts to become an asset for the school. Thank you.